Tiptoe turn. Arms down. It's okay. Just watch me. Okay? Ready? Arms go. Middle. Right arm. Middle. Left arm. Arabesque. To the right and to the left. Do it again. Middle. Right arm. Middle. Float your arms. They go down and up and down. Open your arms nice and wide. Point your toe to the side. Toe behind you and curtsy. Hands on your hips. Do point passe. Show me. Point. Passe. Point. Close first. Left foot. Point. Passe. Point. Jump out and in. Jump. Second. First. Jump. Second. First. Float your arms up and down and up. Now arms up high. Tiptoe turn. Ready, everyone? Let's go to our new house. Ready, go. Tiptoe. Tiptoe. Just go. Open your arms. Scoop it up. Scoop it up high and sway. Sway. Tiptoe back. Tiptoe. Tiptoe. Open your arms. Scoop it up high. Scoop it up high and sway. Tiptoe turn. Arms up high. Good girl. Put your arms down. Feet in first. Ready and middle. Right arm. Middle. Left arm. Arabesque. To the right and to the left. Again. Middle. Right arm. Middle. Now float it. Go down and up. Good girls. Down. Now open your arms nice and wide. Point your toe to the side. Toe behind you. And curtsy. How about left foot? To the side. Toe behind you. Curtsy. Good job. Arms up. Tiptoe turn.